Greetings!
I'm Ennis.
And I'm Ben.
And today we decided to do something a little bit different.
We're sitting at a table.
We, as it's Halloween, have decided to give each other the challenge of face painting our faces.
So I've picked a Disney villain for Edis to do.
And I've picked one for him to do.
So we don't know what we're going to do. We're going to find out now.
What we're doing?
I don't know. I should find it, right? Let me get it up on my phone. So the villain that I want you to do is Jafar.
Oh, I saw that one. It's hard.
What am I doing?
I can't pick. Either
You had one job.
either the one that's like always on YouTube, which is Scar.
Okay.
Or a really hard one is Yzma from Emperor's New Groove.
I want to do Yzma.
Oh, it's gonna take you so long. You're gonna look terrible.
She's the best. Hold the lever, Kronk. Wrong lever. Sorry. I'm excited.
Pull the lever, Kronk. Wrong lever!
So I found a little tutorial. At the end, Edis should look like this.
She's got a whole full costume.
Minus the costume. Oh, there's a shot without the costume. No, she just painted her
Eyes. That's so hard. How are you gonna paint your eyes when your eyes are closed?
That's what you're gonna look like.
Oh my gosh.
And we'll link the person. I can't pronounce her name. Her name is Gina. Do you know how to say this second name?
Guyan?
Goon. Can't call her Goon.
Guyan?
How to pronounce Nguyen?
Okay, show me what I'm doing.
Scar looks quite easy.
I don't easy. Do you know, it's funny you said Scar, because I was going to make you be Kovu.
That would have been so cool.
But I couldn't find like a real, like, cool looking one. There was just like a really cartoony one. And I was thinking you could do your hair as a mohawk, and I thought, we ain't got time, maybe next Halloween.
This is what he should look like. But I don't know if he's gonna be able to do that because it's quite hard.
I can do it.
We've got like an hour. If
He
that.
needs to leave in an hour, so this is going to be...
Quick.
I'm scared of my white jumper.
Ben, Jafar is so hard. Get your dick. Oh, this is gonna take me so long.
We should have a little clock here with a little timer.
Okay.
Any cool parts? You've got like 45 minutes.
So say to wet it, we meant to wet these. Bring a little pot of water. Ben, it's gonna take you ages, bro. You don't understand the
She looks sick though.
Also, who's gonna look better? You need to tell us in the comments who's gonna look better from...
Actually, I don't know if I'm going to look
He's
any
not even
better.
starting.
She's got a pencil. I didn't get a pencil.
Oh, I've got a pencil here.
God.
We need some water, bro. I'm gonna end up going to work because I'm alright.
I'm excited.
What am I doing? Ben. Bro? Oh, you know what? I'm gonna use this.
She literally, this video has been on for half a second and she's done like 10 steps.
Yeah, see? I told you.
I'm scared.
Oh, it's happening.
The first one's going on.
Bro, why have you picked such hard...
This might turn out sick and then you might actually want to do this for Halloween.
Yeah, I've also got to go to work in 5 minutes.
5?
You know what I mean?
45. I can tell I'm going to be bad at this already.
Oh, this is gonna be terrible. Bro, there's no way you're covering these eyebrows. I'm sorry. Look at this. You can't cover these. You can't cover these bad boys. How? How am I supposed to do this?
So we really can't make mistakes, innit?
That's what I'm saying to you.
Oh, should I do the body as well?
No.
I'm doing my body because she just did it real quick, and now as I'm drawing it, I'm thinking, well, she just sped it up, didn't she? I was like, oh, that's easy, just paint your body, right? And she's real bony, just like me.
This is going to be such a botched job.
I'm basically done! What's the time? Okay, we're half hour. Who's your favourite Disney villain then?
Probably Jafar, actually. It's pretty badass. Who's your favourite Disney villain?
She draws over it again.
Who's your favourite
Are you
Disney?
using the brown?
Cool.
Are you using the brown? Favourite Disney villain, I think.
What's his face from Hunchback?
I was gonna say, that's literally who I was thinking of, Judge Claude Frollo. Like, he's not the most fun to watch, but he's just so freaking evil.
I was doing well and I've just made it worse.
See? No, that looks it. Oh, no, maybe not.
She's cheating. She's 100% cheating. She's
What are you
skipping
doing?
steps. Oh no, this is the wrong colour.
Yeah, so I like Judge Claude Frollo because he's so evil, but he's not necessarily the most fun to watch. Not like Ursula.
Yeah, or Scar.
Scar, great. Do you know there's some underrated ones as well, like Sword and Stone. Madam Mim.
I've not really seen Sword and Stone.
And do you know what I watched the other day?
Cool.
The Rescuers, and the villain in that is called Madame Medusa, and she's actually so evil.
I look terrible.
There's a whole scene where she's like taking off her eyelashes and stuff, which, you know, is just great animation.
Find me that diamond tomorrow, or else.
Ah! Pencil broke.
Purple armpits.
This is terrible! I feel like I can't move on until this bit looks good, but you know when you're like, I don't think this is going to look any better than it
But
does.
sometimes when you keep going, it just kind of all falls into place, right? That's what I keep telling myself. What's annoying is, like, say if we was literally just doing it to the cartoon picture, it might look alright. But because we're doing it to some amazing makeup artist, we just look terrible in comparison.
Now, she's a cheater. She's an absolute cheater. What does she just do? What kind of magic? And we've got 20 minutes. This is not happening. Oh, this is so bad.
That's all you're saying, though. Eyebrows are not going to be the one.
If you could be one Disney villain, who would it be?
If I could be one.
Yeah.
I don't work with the males, because I used to be one.
I don't work with the males, because I used to be one.
Yikes.
I'm trying to think of a Disney villain where it, like, goes alright for them. You know what, I might go the OG Maleficent.
Maleficent?
As in, she can turn into a freaking dragon. Like, she's just a bad biatch, right?
Yeah, I guess.
You poor simple fools.
She's got to be like, even though she's not my favourite, she's got to be like the #1 Disney villain. Like in Kingdom Hearts, she's the one that like is behind everything. What villain would you want to be?
I don't know, I want to be Mulan, so it'd probably be, he's big scary, he's really scary though, isn't he?
Shan Yu.
Yeah.
He also gets blown up by a firework at the end, spoiler alert.
Lightning!
Is he? That looks alright. Wait, I thought you were being Scar for a second. You're Jafar, isn't it? I was like, yeah, I can see that. You're Scar. You got like the little lion eyes going on. Okay, my teeth looks decent, I think. It's going well for Ben.
She's using shading, bro, and I ain't got no shading.
I think she's like using makeup, right?
Yeah.
Where we got just like face paints. Oh, white on the eyes. Okay, here we go. Can't turn back now.
The fuck, oh
I don't want to put it on my eyes.
no.
Mm.
Oh, that's a horrible sound.
It's hard to do an eye. Can you just shut one eye?
Oh, I hold it down with my finger.
Oh, you're smart.
Use my hands. I just caught myself on the camera and I did not look at the
Ecstatic.
Best Disney villain song, go.
The villain in Princess and the Frog's got a jam.
How's it go? Friends on the other side. Dum,
Yeah.
dum, 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 dum. You got what you want. It's like that. I mean, I feel like the most epic one is Hellfire.
Yeah, is that from Notre Dame?
Yeah, man. Deep.
Be mine or you will burn.
Imagine if Shan Yu had a song in Mulan. He's so out of place, right? He was like, come on, boys.
Let's do it.
Me and my Huns are gonna kill all of China. Me and my Huns with our big guns. They don't have guns. I mean, Be Prepared is also freaking epic. Isn't it, Scar?
I'm not Scar. Maybe that's what I'll just do, I'll just wait till I'm finished.
Just put a big line down the
See
middle.
what I look like.
Do you know that Yzma in Emperor's New Groove had a song and it got cut?
Was she that bad?
They changed the plot of the film.
What was the song gonna be?
Snuff out the light.
You're making this up.
I'm actually not. No, it sounds like I am. So basically, the plot of Emperor's New Groove, when they were in development, was that
There's no
Yzma-
songs, is there, in
There's like a couple. There's
What's his name?
yeah. So the original plot was that she wanted to block out the sun to stop her from aging. So her song was called "Snuff Out the Light." It was about blocking out the sun.
Wow. Can you hear it?
Yeah, she recorded it and everything.
So now she prays through endless days to take her revenge on the sun.
Who plays that again?
Eartha Kitt. R.I.P. She was like the original Catwoman.
She died.
Yeah, I mean, she's old. So also, she was like a, what's it called? Like a power to the people, like a protester, civil rights activist, that's the word.
Power to the people.
Like back in the day, she got exiled from America for like standing up for black rights or something.
Because I was against our involvement in Vietnam.
Right.
So on my dossier, my CIA dossier, that says...
Oh, you have one?
It says I'm a sadistic sex nymphomaniac, darling.
She got exiled.
Uh-huh.
Kinda.
True story.
I've really stopped at nothing. Murder, treachery, and lying. Whatever it takes to keep my looks, you really can't blame a gal for trying.
Oh, this is not the one.
I feel like I'm looking good. You need to do the beard.
Yeah, I know. I've got to do the other side first. She jumped.
You've got 8 minutes.
She jumped time.
You've got 8 minutes.
How am I going to get this off my face before I go to work?
Everyone will love it at your work.
I was bopping in with...
Scar makeup on.
It's not Scar!
You should go in and you should ask people, who am I?
Who am I? It's kind of...
Whoa. Snuff out the light.
I think I might just ate some of that paint. I've not gone as far down as she has. I did not need to take my top off.
Good for the views though. Looking like that.
I'm done.
No.
Yeah, I'm kind of done. Oh, she looks sick.
Do you know what I'm excited about? I haven't actually probably looked at you yet. So when we look at each other, it's pretty much going to be the first time.
How has she done that?
What?
Eyes. That is not how she did it. And look at that.
Yeah, that's what I wanted you to do.
And then look at this.
I haven't got that far.
And these are my eyes.
Yeah, you look terrible.
Oh no.
Oh, now she's just painted her whole body black, is what she's done. Am I going to do that? I've got a newfound respect for these people now though. So I watch these videos sometimes, and like drag race people, like Nina. Oh, Nina.
You're like, I can do that.
Yeah, I watch it. Oh, that's easy. Just a little bit of face paint, a little bit of makeup. Okay, we're going to stop in a minute.
Nah, I'm stopping. Brush down. But I just want to look so bad. I can't work out what I've done wrong.
You've just put white paint on your nose, you know.
Huh?
You've got dirt on your nose, did you know?
You've got dirt on your nose, by the way. Did you know?
Because that's the issue with this.
Right, show me. You look like Scar, bro.
Oh no! I need that.
Oh yeah, you need to go. That's what I look like.
Yeah, it looks good.
You think?
Close your mouth. Yeah, it's better than mine.
I don't know if it looks like you, but I look scary though. I need to paint my shoulders black.
I need to go there and work.
Should we quickly find like a t-shirt or something to wrap around her head?
5 minutes later.
Oh, tell no lie. With that t-shirt on your head, you actually look alright. Oh, my turban! I feel like I need to put some clothes on, some purple clothes. I should put a dressing. Have you got a robe? Wait, we're at my house. Sure.
Don't move.
I didn't move. This is. She doesn't have. Anyway. So I hope we've inspired you for Halloween this year. You just need to find a tutorial and just
Do it really badly.
Yeah.
You actually don't look that bad because you've got a whole mouth going on. Mine just was. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that looks sick.
What else can we do?
Are you actually gonna go to work like this?
No!
Okay, we need to stop then.
Alright, let's go.
Happy
wait.
Halloween!
Check out our Instagram and stuff.
We got a TikTok. Who's that? We're down with the kids. We got a TikTok.
Salagadoola, metricaboola, bibbidi bop.
Subscribe, like us. We've been quite quiet recently, but
Yeah, well, you got stuff coming up, I guess.
coming up,
We've been
so-
busy. Oh, it's hard
be
life.
subscribing. Peace. Have a good Halloween. Look at my beard.
See, it looks sick.
Watch this look.
Me and my Huns are gonna kill all of China. Me and my Huns with a big gun. Come on, boys.